Watch it or else. Yes, it's happening today. Can't really see much around there. Look at this. And there's Al, my beautiful assistant. Yeah. Yes, we are flatting back the Mini, and it is going, well, I will say extremely well so far. Really pleased with it. So we've worked out a way that we're going to paint this. I say we, I've discussed it with Al how I'm going to paint it, but and he's agreed, so that's always good. What we're going to do, we're going to paint all the inside of the bonnet, inside of the doors, inside of the boot lid, around the door shuts, under the bonnet. Get all them bits done first. We'll then tomorrow come back, once that lot's all dried, we'll then assemble the bits on the car, put all the doors on, bonnet and boot on, and then we're going to paint the outside of the car. I think that's the way it's done professionally. Not sure, but that's what we think, and it sounds good to us. So yeah, it is looking super smooth. It is bloody lovely. So, and I completely forgot to film the first bit as well. So here I am now. Right, well, I think it's almost time. We're just going to wash off what we've done, and then yeah, make sure it's dry. And I think it is. Pull out the spray gun. Orange, yeah. What do we reckon then, Al? Good? We're good to paint?
Yeah, hopefully wash it down.
Loving this. And what's the time now? Let's have a look. It's midday now. Midday. I was expecting to be at this stage at about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So we've done exceptionally well. There's 2 of us. So it's made all the difference. Right. I'm going to put the camera down now then, and we're going to wash it off. Bring you back in a mo.